4.5 years ago, our family started Native Coffee with the desire to make quality coffee for quality people. And with that in mind, we knew we had to find quality ingredients. In our search, we found Beason Family Farms in Philadelphia, Mississippi. It is another family-owned operation and do an incredible job with their dairy cows, making some of the best milk that we've ever had in our lives. We use that in our shop for all of our lattes and cappuccinos, and it genuinely does make a difference in the sweetness and the texture, the overall quality of the drinks that we have in our shop. There's no way to have a quality product without quality ingredients. And we know that we found the best partner that we could in Beason Family Farms. So the next time that you have a cappuccino or a latte, know that that milk came from right down the street in Philadelphia, Mississippi from Beason Family Farms.